अब आप पे आ जाते हैं कि आप अपने लिए क्या सोचते हैं, क्या होना चाहिए अगले 2 साल में?
अगले 2 साल में मैम आई वांट टू जॉइन प्रेस्टिजियस या वेरी गुड MBA कॉलेज. From that, I will pursue my MBA degree because I have done. I think I have done 3 years of experience. That's enough for industry. I think to know what's the working of the industry, how industry works, and just I want to know further what's the how the business works behind that industry. So I want to pursue the MBA degree in best colleges, I think, in India. That's my
See,
aspiration next.
right. See, Atul, what is very important when you
Mm-hmm.
say 3 years, you have, let's talk practicality. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम
Okay.
कुछ भी ऐसा शेयर नहीं करेंगे जो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, और सिर्फ वो बात
Okay.
की जाएगी जो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी किसी समस्या का समाधान होगा. So you have to
Okay.
focus on the concepts and on the words what we are discussing. Now,
Okay.
after doing your engineering program, I believe one of the difficult program, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
See, with science stream and with science as one of my major subjects, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I really have great regard for students from science background.
Yeah, ma'am.
So ultimately what happens, see, when I'm talking to anybody from science background, I know the
Mm-hmm.
hardships you guys have. Engineering is not an easy degree program, it's a very difficult program.
Yeah,
48
ma'am.
subjects to be cracked, and you've gone through that.
Yeah, yeah.
So it is immaterial from which part of country you guys are, completing your program. Now let's focus. The curriculum of engineering is tough. You have gone through that, and you have experienced 3 years of corporate world. Now,
Yeah,
honestly
yeah.
speaking, Atul, just tell me what exactly is the package in your hand as of now. If I talk of 3 years of experience and with one of the
Mm-hmm.
finest degrees in the industry, okay, what exactly
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
getting as financials? Tell me that.
7.2 lakh per annum, ma'am.
Sorry,
7.2 lakh per annum.
you said 7.2.
Yeah.
Do you think it is justified? Delhi में बेटा एक graduate बच्चा, एक normal graduation BA program, if the child
Mm-hmm.
is strong, confident, they go for
Yeah, yeah.
any program, they can easily get much better than this after doing
Yeah, yeah.
BA program. And see, after doing your engineering, where exactly you are. So what is important,
Yeah.
Atul? You have to
Mm-hmm.
have faith in yourself, number one, and you have to
Yeah.
relook, just analyze. Okay, I have given
Mm-hmm.
my best and I have got what exactly was good for me till now. So,
Yeah.
because you cannot roll back the time zone, but it's important
Yeah.
for your next degree, the master's, you have to focus on the
Mm.
branding part. What
Yeah.
exactly is something which I have really missed out? Okay. So here,
Yeah.
Atul,
Yeah.
we would be really glad to, because see, I'm really happy to see your credentials. And I'm really happy,
Mm-hmm.
more than happy, I'll say. I'm not talking financials now, but working in a same firm for 3 years through some
Mm-hmm.
youngster has a great meaning. It shows your reliability component, that you are very
Yeah.
sincere towards your job, and that is why
Yeah.
you kept on working, spending three
Yeah. Yeah.
years with the same firm has a great meaning.
Thank.
So
Yeah.
ultimately, that is one thing which really, inclines us towards your profile. So now, Atul,
Yeah.
coming to very important thing, if
Mm-hmm.
I ask you honestly, let's forget cat, because what is
Mm-hmm.
important?
Mm-hmm.
आपने शुरू में शेयर किया, सर रहन दीजिए बहुत कम है, ये आप ही के शब्द हैं, राइट? कैट
Mm-hmm.
परसेंटाइल, जब आप मंचंदा जी से बात कर रहे थे, तो डेफिनेटली जब नंबर्स अच्छे होते हैं तो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत अच्छा होता है, राइट? लेकिन अतुल, इम्पोर्टेंट, हेलो,
Hello. Yes. Yes.
okay, so Atul, what is important? Let us analyze one situation. There is a candidate in
Mm-hmm.
class 12 and he's very good in maths. Let's consider any
Mm-hmm.
XYZ, okay? And he gets
Mm-hmm.
100% marks in all the internals, I'll say. Whether it is your
Okay.
pre-boards, internals, but on the D-Day when
Mm-hmm.
he's going for his board exams, the boy is facing some medical emergency at his place with some of the
Yeah.
parents, I'll say, maybe parents or grandparents. As a responsibility, he rushes towards the hospital. But because
Yeah.
it is the D day and he has to appear for the exam, the boy moves towards the centers. You got my point?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the poor child in disturbed state hardly gets 30 to 40 percentage in maths. Now see the
Oh.
condition. He is good in maths. He knows. Parents
Mhm.
are aware of this. Friends are aware of this. Teachers are aware of this. But the situation is so ironical that the mark
Yeah.
sheet shouts and says 40% throughout the life.
Yeah.
आपको समझ में आ रहा है difference? And this is the
Yeah.
reason on which the policy of the company was framed, that we will not consider number game. We will see the
Okay.
profile of the candidate and then we will help them in getting the admissions. Are you getting my point,
Okay.
Atul?
Okay.
So
Yeah, ma'am.
I believe there was one doubt in your mindset that, ma'am, how exactly we are going for this. And if we don't
Okay.
have the score, still we are getting
Mhm.
this opportunity to talk to the panel and such a senior
Mhm.
management panel of direct admission group. And we're talking for your future. You got my point?
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
So, so Atul, that is my main suggestion, what I was discussing there. Focus on the words and the opportunity. And it's very
Yeah.
important. You have to see what I'm going to get through this session.
Yeah.
And it's possible that I don't know about your past, but this experience of this session is definitely going to be a game changer in your career
Yeah.
path.
Yeah.
At least you are going to learn a lot in this. So yes,
Yes.
Atul,
Yes.
now my next question is, Dakshita must have
Mhm.
shared some list of colleges with you, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So would you please let us know your qualifying exams, what you have given, number one, scores in
Mhm.
that, and then your preferences. क्योंकि आपको भी तो right होना चाहिए कुछ choose करने का. Then I'll tell you what is best for you, okay? And I believe by
Okay, ma'am.
this time you are very much convinced what is good for you. We will be
Okay.
sharing only that. So qualifying
Okay. Okay.
exams, better. Yeah.
Qualifying exams, just like MBA exams, man.
Yeah, definitely. Like CAT, ZAT,
Snap.
CMAT, anything,
Snap.
whatever you have given.
Last year, I have given three sets of exams: CAT, SNAP, and CT, Maharashtra CT.
Okay.
Okay.
And your scores?
Exactly scores, I have got 80 percentile in CT. SNAP, I don't know exactly what the score, man. Because the score was low. I know that.
How much exactly in score, SNAP, if you can just share the range?
Uh, Less than 50 percentile.
Less than 50, okay. And CAT is also something around 50, I believe, right?
50. Yeah, yeah.
Uh, okay. So with these percentile, I believe you cannot think of good and great colleges. So what is your plan B now, Atul? See, whenever in life, when we are working and we are, very serious to achieve something, we
Mm-hmm.
focus. And I believe when I talk
Yeah.
to students from engineering background, we
Mm-hmm.
focus the goal first and then set the pathway. Very important. I've seen students discussing about the pathways and not focus for the goal. I believe you see the
Yeah.
difference in both the options. So it's very important कि हमारा goal बहुत clear हो. So it is clear
Mm-hmm.
what I'm getting feel from you is you want to do your MBA program. Now your
Yeah, yeah.
first plan was you went through these exams, you didn't got good
Mm-hmm.
scores. So what is your plan B now?
Plan B for this year, ma'am. Afterwards.
Reappear in the exams.
Yeah, yeah. I'm preparing
Okay,
for the CAT for all MBA exams right now.
okay. So
Preparing very
now,
hard. It is,
right. So in this
I will
regard,
try my.
Atul, right. So Atul, now let's understand the cycle. I know many
Mm-hmm.
students, those who couldn't score in CAT. What is the normal
Mm-hmm.
practice? They invest 365 days. You can write down. It's a case study. They invest
Mm-hmm.
365 days. Number one. Then they go
Mm-hmm.
for coaching towards great institutes like Times Coaching or maybe Career Launchers or maybe other brands in different cities of India. So investing something
Mm-hmm.
around 70 to 80,000 once again.
Yeah.
applying for the entrance exams of CAT, MAT, ZAT, CMAT, you have to put on the application fee cost, something ranging from 20 to 25,000, right?
Overall, yes.
Again, applying for the institutions, at least 4 to 5, going for the application cost, again 30 to 40,000 of investment. Okay, application
Yeah.
fee cost. Then you're going to stay
Mm-hmm.
in the city, your lodging, boarding costing something around 1.5 lakhs. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what exactly is the expenses, Atul? Please let me understand this. I've given figures and I believe you